Hi friends, it's Julia, and today I'm here to share my Felicity Jane May 2022 kit that just came in the mail. It is called Reese, and this month's kit is a little bit different. It has a very pale gray tone purple in it, along with the rusty orange, the pink, and the blue. The colors are amazing. I love that, and I love the Felicity Jane kit. So let me show you what all I got. Of course the kit, and I always add on the girl stamp, and so here she is. This is Reese. So cute, and the detail in the face is just amazing. Let me show you the paper. Everybody loves to see the paper. This one is called Floral Plaid, and all the back sides are typically black and white. Sometimes they'll have colors, and each kit comes with two solid sheets of paper that have one specific color on one side, and then on the opposite side a different one. I love these wide bands of color on this bold stripe and ditzy floral. That's super pretty. Why do they do that? I love both those sides. That makes it too hard to choose. Swiss dot and diamond. Oh, see how pretty. And there's that purple shade, that gray purple. Gingham and spots. I could have done away with that one. That one doesn't even appeal to me. That's garden and grid. Oh, I like that with that pink and that orangey tone grid. Spotted and striped. That is so pretty. I love that yellowy color. I love the stripes as well. And then here are the two solid sheets with that orangey color, and then the pink, and then the bluish color, and the purple. Along with that is the alphabet stamp, or the alphabets, the puffy alphabets, and these are tiny, y'all. If you look at my thumbnail next to that letter, I mean, it's the same size as my thumbnail. It's not very wide. Let me see if I can. A half an inch, less than half an inch. I don't know if you can see that right next to the letter G. It's tiny. These are the ephemera that came with. There's tags, there's banners, there's flowers, there's tabs, there's a tag, there's pennants, there's the little girl Reese there. These are the stamps that came with, and you had the option this month of purchasing the die set that went with these. I didn't do that. I just went ahead and got these with the kit, and we'll go from there. We'll see. I'm gonna have to play around with these because this has a 1, 2, 3 for those. Yeah, we'll see. I love these labels that come with these that have the different color tabs, because the labels in each color tab are the same. Like these are the gray, gray. This is teal, teal. Gold, gold labels. So I love that. These are the pocket page cards, and I put that introduction card, thank you card in there. That's the one that came as the thank you, and then these are the pocket page cards. Today is magical, flowers, an ampersand with flowers, that purple gingham. There's the stripes with that orangey color. I love that different color polka dots. Stripes. Oh, a notebook paper. Oh, a partial rainbow. The stars in gold. And then a circle with that stripe. I don't know that I like that. If they would have done the whole sheet in that stripe, I think I probably would have liked it a little bit better. And you guys know the back sides are dot grid and grid. So you can choose to have either side. If you're not happy with the front side, use the back for journaling or for placement or for something. And then puffy hearts. I do like those colors that they chose. That purple is through there, and I love that mint color and the orange and the pinks and the teal. There's a stencil. Essentials stencil spots. And then it came with a 6x6 paper pad as well, which is fine with me because I can use that for making cards or along with the collection to create layouts. So anyway, that's everything that I got this month in my Felicity Jane kit. The only extra that I got was the girl stamp. Everything else came with the kit. So if you're interested, head over to Felicity Jane and you can find the very same kit for yourself. Anyway guys, I will see you on the next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.